Okay, so you'll notice I have the Aiwa speakers right here, sitting in the middle of my room for a reason. I'm gonna go for something bigger. And the real reason why is because these speakers feel around a little tiny treble thing. It's actually not a real tweeter, it's just a buzzer, and I actually removed it on both, and I couldn't tell a difference. Also, the woofer appears to be 6 inches, but it's actually a 5 1/4, about that size. Not quite as big as the actual speaker. Hold on, let me just show you what this looks like. Okay, so I got them taken apart correctly. This grill just comes off. And you can see what I mean about not very big. I mean, it sounds decent, but just look at that. That's horrible. Okay, now, I want to show you what I'm going to go with next. Just a few videos back, you noticed I tested this speaker right here. And by the way, if you remember, I also got a new Onkyo subwoofer. And I didn't tell you right away, but this old speaker comparing video of mine has that woofer in it. Right here. And now I have the woofer that came with. On here, my flash just went off. But that's okay because the speakers, the primary speakers, are now up where the Aiwas used to be. The ones with the 2 white cones under the grill, and the one high note speaker. And the reason why this is an improvement is one up there too. The reason why this is an improvement over these things is, I guess, the fact that, just shine a light over there, that is not sized very well. Pretty much. That Onkyo speaker over there is even worse, but these drivers are a little spoiler as to what's coming next. These speakers are out, and I'm gonna refer to them in my next videos as the $4 speakers. Because that's how much it cost me to get these. And that's all. In my next video, I'm going to have a test of the speakers. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye. This channel's about to get pretty cool, by the way.